Hi there teachers, this is Tian from the Abuti Academy, and we are very excited to share the online classroom, the online teaching platform with you for free. So we're going to help you to transition from the actual classroom into the digital classroom, and we're going to help you step by step. So what is an online classroom? In short, this is a tool to help teachers to keep teaching and students to keep learning. No student gets left behind. The minimum requirement is a smartphone. So what makes this different from all the other platforms out there? First of all, it's super user-friendly. Second of all, it's really attractive, especially to the younger students. We want them to have fun. We want them to want to learn. We're also going to add features where teachers can share materials and content to lighten the workload. And the best news is, it's free. So how do we get started? Well, I'm going to be here every step of the way. I have years of experience in online teaching and online platforms. And I've made a lot of mistakes, so you don't have to. I'm going to help you little by little to get comfortable with teaching online. Tip number 1, stay calm. Just take a deep breath and relax. We need to have a growth mindset when thinking about moving into the digital classroom. But I'm sure everybody will have patience with one another, and remember, we are all still learning. You also need to start planning a little bit. Are you going to take videos of yourself, or will you only be sending students instructions on the work that they need to do? You're also going to need a device like a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer. If you're going to take videos of yourselves, here are a few tips. Tip number 1, you can use your phone to record videos just like I am doing right now. Tip number 2, lighting is very important, but it's easy to achieve. For example, right now I'm using the light on my smartphone to record this video. Tip number 3, make sure you have a clean background. This helps that the students don't get distracted from the actual content of your video. Tip number 4, in the beginning, you might want to use a whiteboard for basic explanations. This helps that you don't need to edit videos and do a lot of technical things. Tip number 5, and the trickiest of all, make sure you look into the camera. It really does make a difference if the students feel that you're talking right straight at them. So, I hope this was useful. You might feel that you want to watch the video again, or you might feel that you're ready to move on. In the next video, I'm going to start showing you how to work with the platform and where to access the materials. In this way, we'll get you trained and ready for the online classroom in no time. Stay safe, until next time.